was a summer's day, or so I'm told. I was the fifth one of the seven of us all. My brothers cried, but I was silent through the night, and soon we'd fly in perfect tandem side by side. We played games, we ran from the winter, we hid in November, and I will never forget the nights when we sang and we danced in the Valley of Men. We told ourselves we were traveling the world. We saw the sights and the sounds you've never heard. And every year we'd come back home and tell the stories that we'd never outgrow. Then one year, my sister didn't appear, but there was no need to worry. She came in a hurry. She told us of her children, her dears. And the years went on as they do. Some of us made a family and built a home, and then some, like me, kept on moving and flying together for miles. And there were times when we fell, some got up and some didn't, but we remember the storms they started to wear. So that spring I chose to go home. I finally found my tree, the nest was gone, and so I built my own, a branch for one. But the next May, I heard the chirps from down below. My mother's grave was now another mother's home. We played games, we ran from the winter, we hid in December, and I will never forget the nights when we sang and we danced in the Valley of Men. They say a life from above can be lonely, but I was no stranger to love. But time won't always move slowly, and soon we'll lose sight of the twig and the dove. I know, but I'm not scared. I'll just